Hello, this video will give you an overview of Diablo Valley College certificates. Before we begin, I'd like to point out that this video is for informational purposes only. It is super important that you meet with a counselor to discuss your specific goals and to create an education plan that fits your needs. DVC offers certificates of accomplishment and achievement in a wide variety of areas, such as art, digital media, business, and addiction studies. Certificates are made up of major related courses that are related to a particular occupational skill. The requirements for each certificate, as well as descriptions of the required courses, can be found in the DVC catalog or the DVC website. Let me show you how to do this now. So if we start at the DVC website, it's just www.dvc.edu. You will come to our homepage here. Click on Academic Programs, and then under Programs, you'll click on Degrees and Certificates. To see a list of the different certificates we offer, you can click on this Degree and Programs chart. As you'll see on this chart, it'll say Certificate of Accomplishment and Certificate of Achievement, and you will see the different subjects. If it has a dot underneath it, that means that we offer a certificate in that subject. As you can see, we have a lot of them. So let's go back and look at a few. Let's say you were interested in a certificate in graphic design. That would be under the Department of Art Digital Media. So you'll click on that, and their options will open up. One of the things that you can do is you could actually click on the department, and a lot of times they'll have great information about possible career opportunities or just information that's really useful to the department. If you look at the left sidebar here, they may have class schedules, directory, student success stories, equipment checkout, and other important information. To look at the catalog requirements, you will click on Art Digital Media Catalog Information. This brings you to the catalog, which shows you the classes that are required. You'll want to shift through this and specifically look for the certificate that you want. So I said we would be looking for the certificate in graphic design. Here it is, Certificate of Achievement in Graphic Design. The catalog will tell you the student learning outcomes, what students completing the program will be able to do. It also gives great information about it. And then you will come to the class list. So for this certificate, these are the required courses. It will have all of the courses listed here and then tell you the total number of units for that particular certificate. Let's try another one. Let's say you wanted to get a certificate related to business marketing. So I will go ahead and click on Business Marketing. Same thing, click on Catalog Information. Oh, and this one seems to only have the classes. So let's go back and click on Business. So we'll click on Business Catalog Information. Here they are. So we see the different degrees. So we are looking for the certificate in business marketing. Here we go, Certificate of Achievement, Business Marketing, same thing. It will have a lot of different information, and then we will get to the courses. So required courses, you must take Business 109 and Business Marketing 256. In this next section, it says at least 6 units. So each of these classes are 3 units. So you know that you have to take 2 from here. So you'll pick 2. And if we scroll back up, in this next section, you need at least 4 units from these classes. So you will likely have to pick at least 2 classes from here, 1 to 2 classes from here to make up the 4 units, and that will give you a total of 16. So this shows you how you can see the classes required for a certificate so that you'll know what you have to take. Now, the next step is to see a counselor to create your own specific education plan. Let me show you how to do this. You'll go back to the DVC website. If you click on Current Students, under Student Support, you'll see Counseling Center. And then on our page, you will see the different types of counseling we have. So academic counseling, this is to make an appointment to create an education plan. We also have drop-in counseling. If you have quick questions, we have same-day drop-in sessions that are 15 minutes. But to make an appointment, you will click on More Info, and then it will allow you to make the online appointment here. Now, if you are a student who has coursework from another college, you will want to submit the official transcripts from your college to DVC Admissions and Records. It takes about 2 weeks for the transcript to be uploaded to our system. After that, you will want to call the counseling office to schedule an evaluation appointment. When they ask you what type of evaluation you want, you will let them know what your goal is, what certificate you are aiming for. And that's how you make an appointment with a counselor. I hope this information was helpful, and have a good day.